Today, we're going to tell you about a tabletop game, Zomber Geek.
But first, a question for you. Where do most zombies live? On dead-end streets!
Sammy, that joke is 100 years old.
But it fits the theme. Let's start talking about the game.
Actually, this game isn't scary at all. It's really fun to play. There can be 2 to 5 players. Guys, do you like tabletop games? Write in the comments which is your favorite tabletop game. This is the game board.
Unfold it, quick, or they'll think that the game board is a green square.
They won't. Don't worry. This is how the field looks unfolded. The task of the players is to get from the broken car to the working truck right here.
That's easy. 1, 2, 3, I win!
That's not how you do it, Sammy.
I know. Each game has its own rules.
And in this game, zombies will try to stop you from getting to the life-saving truck.
Guys, give a thumbs up if you like zombie movies. This one is the scariest zombie. It's called the Swamp Horror!
You can only defeat it with this item.
Will the rest be useless?
Alas. Right, we've also got common zombies, but there are lots of them.
There are also mutant spiders! Oh!
And hellhounds. You can defeat them with these means of protection. To protect yourself from a distance and at a close range.
Bam! We can neutralize them like that.
Right, let's put it here.
I've forgotten what these wooden crosses are.
These are barricades, Sam. You can barricade windows or doors in the house to keep the monsters out.
Oh, well, I need to stock up.
No, Sammy, you can't stock up. Because all game tiles are placed on the game board randomly, like this.
But we haven't explained all of them.
Right. These 2 tiles are very important. You won't be able to drive the life-saving truck without them. Keys and gasoline. And these tiles are first aid kits. They will help you restore the character's hit points.
This one?
That's right. If a character fails to defeat the monster, they lose 1 hit point.
We need to tell them about all the playable characters.
Sure! The first one is Alex. He likes martial arts. He already has a means of protection at close range, so he won't have to look for this card on the field. Anita is a nurse. If she finds a first aid kit, she can restore 2 hit points at once.
And I like Max the best. He's the youngest and the fastest. And he can move 1 additional square.
And this is Mary. She's a police officer. That's why she can protect herself. And the last one is Johnny, the big guy. His special ability is that he has 5 hit points at the start of the game.
And the rest have only 3.
Guys, which character would you play? Write in the comments. By the way, all characters can exchange their findings, means of protection, and first aid kits if they are standing close enough.
Teamwork!
Yep. Now, let's lay out the game tiles on the game board, including the tiles of the non-playing characters. If a character loses the game, this tile gives the player an opportunity to recover and play for the found character, with 1 hit point or 3 if it's Johnny. Let's turn all the tiles face down. And mix. Right, let's explain how to play the game. This is the game spinning wheel. The numbers show how many squares you can move. You can only move vertically or horizontally. You cannot move diagonally. If there's a tile in the way, you can go over it or turn it over.
Oh no! It's a monster! We need to spin the wheel again!
If the arrow of the wheel points at the crossed swords, you can save yourself from the monster with close-range items. If the arrow points at the target, the monster can be defeated with the help of ranged items. If the arrow points at the running man, spin the wheel again to know how many squares you can run. And if the arrow points at the jaws, you're out of luck. The monster bites and you lose hit points.
What can the poor players without hit points do?
Oh, they can play on the side of the monsters and keep the characters from finding the keys and the canister and getting to the truck.
Play for the monsters? Oh, cool.
Should we give it a try?
Let's go!
Mary encounters a hellhound! Oh no, Mary is out of luck. She loses 1 hit point. Oh, Max is lucky.
Yay! I found gasoline!
Aha! The first aid kit restores a hit point.
Zombies beware.
Oh, hello, Johnny.
Spin the wheel!
Oh no! Mary leaves the game, and Johnny continues it. Wow! We found the keys!
And I've got the gasoline! Let's head to the truck.
Oh no! It's swamp horror!
Don't worry, I've got it under control.
Pew pew! Yay!
Let's leave this place! It was a great game, guys!
See you soon! Guys, give a thumbs up if you like this game. If we get it to 3,000 thumbs up, we'll make some more game reviews for you.